So let's go to our question number B. They want us to calculate our latent heat. Latent heat is the same thing as HFG. So on number B, we are looking for HFG at a pressure of 920 kilopascal. So if you go to our steam table, we look for 920. This is our 920 kilopascal. Our HFG here I'm seeing 26 kilojoules per kg. Now don't forget, this is our latent heat rather. It has nothing to do with the feed water temperature. The conditions where we use our feed water temperature are when we are dealing with sensible heat, because this is sensible heat of water. And then when we are also dealing with what? Total heat required for superheating. So therefore our 26 kilojoules per kg times our mass is 10 kg. We are going to get something like 20260 kilojoules. That becomes our latent heat. And then for number C, they are asking for specific, rather the superheat. Now superheat is SS equals to CP into TSU minus our TS. They gave us our CP here as 2,1. So it's 2,1 times our superheated temperature. It was given as 210. So it's 210 minus. Now we need to look for our saturation temperature. You go to a pressure of 920. Our saturation temperature there becomes 176.3 from the steam table. 176.3. And then we substitute, we see what are we getting. So we have 2,1 times 210 minus 176.3. So I'm getting 70.77 kilojoules per kg. But don't forget our mass is 10 kg. So you times by your mass. We are getting 707.7 kilojoules. And last but not least, on number D, they need the total heat required for superheating. Total heat required for superheating becomes HSU equals to Hg plus our Cp into our TSU minus our Ts. So don't forget, go to our steam table at 920. We look for Hg. Hg at 920 is 2773. 2773 plus our Cp 2.1. Our TSU is 210 minus our saturation temperature, which we said already is 176.3. So from there, let's see what I'm getting. 2773 plus 2,1 times 210 minus 176.3. I'm getting 2843.77 kilojoules per kg. Don't forget, these are our HSU, so therefore 2843.77 minus our H1 of water. So it becomes 2843.77 minus, we got our H1 earlier here is 251.22. So we substitute this one, 251.22 minus 251.22. I'm getting 2592.55 kilojoules per kg. Don't forget our mass is given as 10 kg, so times our 10 kgs, we are getting 2592.5 kilojoules. And lastly, on our question E, the one, the saturation temperature. So TS at 920 kilopascal, we already got it here as 176.3 kilojoules, rather, is temperature, degree Celsius. So this is how you deal with a question of this nature. So know when to use, when to subtract the feed water temperature, like what I said earlier on, to the feed water temperature, you only subtract it on the following conditions. When you are dealing with sensible heat, when you are dealing with your total heat required for superheating. Those are the two conditions where you can subtract your H1 of water. Yeah, so thank you. We are going to meet on the second question. The second question that I'm going to give you, I'm going to look for a pressure which is not there on the steam table, and then we resolve it by means of interpolation. Thank you so much.